This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and I'm pleased to announce the winner of my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm not quite at 4,000 subscribers quite yet, but I am very close. And I want to thank you to everyone that has supported this channel and that has helped it grow to the channel that it is today. Without you guys, it'd be very hard to get this channel going. Seeing people commenting, liking, and subscribing keeps the motivation up and really makes me drive forward to keep making a lot of these videos, and I'm so happy to hear that everyone does truly enjoy them. So as a recap for the giveaway, what I have here is a clear acrylic padlock, but a couple things have been done to it. One, Briarberry Cove, he drilled in some holes here and he has added grub screws, so now you can top gut this lock, which makes it a heck of a lot easier to be able to repen, because the other method would be you'd be taking this plastic plate off and you'd be dumping everything out, but the locking pawls could fall out and the whole thing could be a mess. So this works really well. And one other thing I did was I replaced some of the key pins so they are a little bit shorter, so you do have to pick every single driver pin on this lock to get it open, which is a great improvement. And then I also added some extra security pins here if you'd like to start to learn them. I have 6 serrated pins and 6 spool pins, which will help the winner be able to start progressive pinning. This lock has a pretty open keyway and is pretty friendly for someone learning. And what I included was this Go-So set, which has a good amount of some beginner picks. They're not the most durable picks out there, but I really do enjoy them and don't have any complaints besides that they are a little bit thick. And then in the back you have some auto rakes, which you probably won't ever use, but they are there if you'd like to try them out. This is an auto tensioner tool, and I think that this is just a good case in general. So this is a really fun giveaway, and I hope that the winner will really enjoy it. Once again, guys, thank you so much for all the support, and I really do enjoy being able to help give back to the community. So without further ado, let's announce the winner. So let's just do a little fake drum roll here, and the winner is congratulations to Stephen Schulz, if I'm saying that correctly. You are the winner. Please send me an email at helpfullockpicker@gmail.com and we'll try to set up how I can mail this out to you. Just please make sure that you are a subscriber to this channel and that you have a mailing address within the continental United States, and I'll get this out to you as soon as we can make some contact. One thing I'd like to do is thank Tumblr over on Reddit for making this little symbol here, Zoolander, and I just thought it was kind of fun, so I wanted to make a little certificate for the winner. I don't know if you can read it, but it says, "The Stab in the Eye, Center for Kids Who Can't Pick Good and who want to learn to do other stuff good too." It's a nice little spoof on the Zoolander movie, and it's pretty funny. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video, and congrats again to Stephen Schultz. And thank you to everyone that entered. Thank you to all my subscribers and everyone that continues to follow along. I wish everyone luck in their lockpicking journey, and I hope that the videos going forward will be educational and very helpful. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope to have a lot of more giveaways to come. Thank you again to Briarberry Cove for donating a lot of this stuff for the giveaway, and thank you again to Tumblr on Reddit for making this symbol. And if you ever want to see a truly talented picker, check out Tumblr, TUMBL3R on YouTube. He picks high security locks and does a really great job, and is probably one of the best pickers out there, but he's too modest to admit that. Thank you again, guys, and have a great day.